info. He followed us and there was a tour guide for us, and this is where he stops. See ya, buddy.
We're all here for that vibe, you know, the love vibe.
The real problem is that people do too much.
I'm just trying to live simply and drive in my whip until the gas tank is empty. Got backup blunts, I smoked my stash accidentally, but I'm Colorado bound, I'll hit the last minute dispensary. That's edibles and goodies I have shoved in my hoodie. I'm a simple kind of man that happens to love his cookies. Listen to rock and roll the same time I got into rap. Gotta open up to other genres, some people aren't into that, but not me, I put it all into the mixture. We're complicating things cause we're all brothers and sisters. Life is so precious but fast, so grow slow. I've learned so much, but there's still so much I don't know. It's hard to find something better than the open road. I'm just a half-human alien with golden soul, trying to drift till infinity and live happily and just live simply. Who knew? This is what I do. I will get through, but in the meantime, I'm just living simply. Break through. Always stay true till I pull through. I'ma do my thing and live simply.
First off, I love you all. You all are so important and have your own meaning and everything, so just take time out of your day to get off Facebook, social media, and just appreciate Mother, baby. Go tell someone you love them and give them a hug. You ain't gotta be all complicated. Things are gonna go wrong in Babylon, but we gotta move on. Peace and love, baby. Blazing.
Who knew? This is what I do. I will get through, but in the meantime, I'm just living simply. Break through. Always stay true till I pull through. I'ma do my thing and live simply. I enjoyed all the campfire stories about experience and dreams of out-of-state touring. Live a simple life.
I'll walk over.
Oh my god. Okay, my turn.
Okay. How far is the tunnel go till you're out?
It's like 30 minutes.
Oh, okay. That's hardcore. Thank you, love.
30 minutes? Yeah, it's a while. Oh,
That is a while. We're in for it.
Damn.
Woo! It's cold. Me too. Holy shit. Watch your head, bro. Whoa. Oh, here we go. That's better.
Fucking right.